Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have another Hobby Lobby haul to show you guys. I went with my friend Lisa yesterday and we got some goodies. So I'm going to start with this that I found for 90% off. It is a little wire basket that I am thinking would be a really cute basket for Katie to put a trash bag in. And it was $2.49, regularly $24.99. And I thought it could be really cute for her apartment. She's going to be in her first apartment starting when school starts, and I thought that would be really cute if she wants to use it. And if she doesn't want it, then I will find a place for it, I am sure. But I thought that was really cute. So I got that. And their fall things were 40% off. And so I found this table runner that I thought was really neat. It's not embroidered, but it kind of, well, yes, it is embroidered. I lied. The pumpkins aren't embroidered, but the give thanks is embroidered. But I thought that was really pretty. And it's got a nice lining. It's really soft. So I thought that would be really cute on our table. And it has the print on both ends. So really cute. So that's for my tablescape. And I have two bags. So let's see. This is actually a present. I got this for a friend. You wrap it around a pillow and it says blessed. And it's printed on there. It's a pillow wrap. I thought it was really cute. And it was $5 with 40% off. So pretty inexpensive. And then also for my kitchen, I found these gathered together, and it has little dogs with little in a truck. I mean, everything about this is perfect. The colors, the dogs, the pumpkins, the truck, everything. So I loved it. So I got that, and it was 40% off of $5.99. Same with this one, and this one says I love fall most of all, and it has little cats. Isn't that cute? So now I'll have one with the cats, one with the dogs, and I can just put them on my oven or stove or whatever you call it. Then I also found these that I thought were too cute. They're chipmunks with little acorns on the feet. I thought those were adorable, so I went ahead and got those. Those were $3.99 plus 40% off. So I thought those were really cute. Those are for me. But then I got a pair for Lisa that I haven't told her yet, but I thought these were adorable. They're pumpkin pie. Oh my god, it's so cute. I thought that was really fun, so that's gonna be a present. I also got this as a present because well, Lisa and I have each other for Christmas. Well, not each other. The way we're doing it is I have Lisa for Christmas, and I thought these were really nice. I love mine. I have this pair that I love, and she does a lot of fussy cutting, and I think she'll really like this easy action, the spring, and it's just so nice on your hands. And these were half off, so it was 20 bucks, but it was only 10. Totally worth it. If you guys don't have these and you do a fair amount of cutting, I would highly recommend that. They even have a smaller pair that is spring action too. And I think these were $15, so they would be half of that at Hobby Lobby sometimes whenever the Fiskars is on sale. And I like these too, but when I'm doing fussy cutting, as much as you would think you might like the smaller one, I really like the bigger one, so that's why I got her the bigger one. Because I like that one best when I'm fussy cutting. Let's see, I'm trying to see if there's what other, okay. Then I also got these bags. They're treat bags. They're just clear, like plastic bags, and they have Ziplocs on, or not Ziplocs, twist ties on them. But we like to put, when we're doing our MD card exchange, we all have a different way of putting them into bags and to giving them to each other. But I thought these would be really cute to put the MD cards in to share. And there are 20 of them, so there's plenty. I can use them for that, and then I can also probably give them to some friends. Maybe put some goodies in it for people at work. And I thought these were really cute too. Sweater weather, give thanks, happy harvest, family, and thanks. So those are some fall stickers. Let me try to do the fall stuff in this bag first. Some cute leaves. I thought these would be neat on cards or MD cards or any project. They're 3DE. They're fall paper leaves, and you get 12 of them. And oh my goodness, I don't even have to say anything else with these. So stinking cute. And then I thought these were kind of neat, and you get a ton of them, 1,500 pieces, and they were $5 plus 40% off. So I'm actually going to split these with Lisa because I won't need all of them, but they're just beautiful colors. There's just all the rich colors, well, not all of them, but a lot of the rich colors of fall. There's not like a purple, but there's orangish, amber, green, gold. Pretty. And same with these. I thought those were beautiful. And these are stickers. They only are a sticker with one little pop dot on it, so you could easily make it not a sticker if you wanted to, but there's 6 of them in here. Actually, it says 6, but it kind of looks like there's... Oh no, there's 6, but they're really pretty. And then the Christmas stuff is not on sale yet, but Lisa had inquired about when Christmas would be on sale, and they said not until after Halloween. Well, we couldn't wait that long because we needed to get our craft on. So we went ahead and bought some stuff, and we're going to share it with each other. So I got this ribbon that looks like lights. So I'm going to split this in half. Same with these. Got little snowflakes and these little flat back gems. And these, so cute. Same with these. I love them. And poinsettias. And I love this old-fashioned Santa snowman. I love this old-fashioned Santa face. And they're die cuts, but they're kind of thicker paper, it feels like. And there's 20 of them, so that's kind of cool. And then this is adorable with the... Sorry, I'm trying to block the light. There, that'll do it. With the mittens and the hats and the skates. Just too cute. So I'll share that one, and then I'm going to share this one, the hot cocoa, and these are raised a little bit, like a little puffy. It's so cute. And then some red birds, which I just love, and these. I love my critters, you know I do. So, let's see, how do I want to do this? I don't think I'm going to put them back in the bag. And Lisa gave me a little surprise when we met. This had a little pink bow on it, and it's a little cup that she decorated with some cute trim. And then, look at these hedgehog socks. Are those not the cutest thing ever? Oh my word. So I am super excited about these. And that was just a little present for me. So sweet. She's so thoughtful. It was fun. And then I found other heavy cardstock, and you know I like their heavy cardstock. So this is the, what do they call this one? The Craft Tone pack. And it has, you can't really see it, but it has like a, looks like it has white, and then like a vanilla color, and then a light pinkish peach, and then this darker craft, and then a lighter craft. So very nice. And you get, I think 50 sheets. Yes, 50 sheets, 5 colors, 10 of each color. So, and that was half off. All of the Paper Studio stuff was half off again. And so was all of the Sewology stuff. Oh, I don't know why she put these stickers in here. That was kind of weird because they're all bent. But I got this one actually for my daughter. I think it's really cute. I think she'll like it in her planner. So that's for Katie. And then these snowmen I thought were adorable. And then I don't think I showed you the poinsettias. We each got our own poinsettias, thinking that this would be cute to put on the back of our Christmas cards, like as a little seal. And then the Sewology stuff was half off. So this was $4.99 originally, and so it was $2.50. And it's a sewing machine, and it has little hooks here for you to put your scissors. And it even comes with the screws to put it in the wall and the little holes for the screws. So you put this in, gosh, you put this in the wall like this, and then you can hang your scissors on here. Isn't that cute? I thought that was really cute, and for the price I had to get it. And same with these. I don't really know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I thought they were cute, and I think I'm going to use it on an MD card. I'll do something vintagey or patterny or something and stick these through. And then Lisa loves these little dress forms, and this says Simply Beautiful, and then look, each page has dress forms. Isn't that cute? So it's just like a little journal or whatever you want it to be. And this was $4.99 plus half off. So I went ahead and picked up one of those that I'm going to give her as a gift. And I picked up another one for me. And that, my friends, is everything I got. But I'm super excited. And then Lisa got a bunch of Christmas stuff too. And we're going to share it. We're going to split them both. And she'll get half of mine and I'll get half of hers. It's a great way to do it. And it's not on sale yet, but we figured this way was kind of a way of us getting it on sale, even though it's not. So that's what I did, and hope you guys have some happy shopping yourselves. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.